Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and we are in our second video of Navratri. And so this is the food that is allowed to be eaten. So when it comes to fruits, there is no restrictions of fruits, that any kind of fruits can be eaten. So here I have some banana, grapes, oranges, apples, pomegranate, dried fruits are also included in it. So raisins, cranberry, and some dates. You can eat any other fruits like apricot and any dried fruits that it can be eaten. You are permitted to eat during this time of the 9 days. So this is what I have to show you about the second day of Navratri. In my previous video, I forgot to explain what is Navratri. Navratri is a Sanskrit word which comes as 9 nights or 9 evenings. Nava or Nav means is 9. Ratri means is evenings or nights. So usually this is the time where our Hindu friends and family members, they do a special celebration to their goddess of Ma Durga during this time, so for the 9 days. So these are the foods that will be eaten, fasting and so on. Even like married couples are not permitted to sleep together and to have any intimacy together during this time of the year. It's a full abstinence, and so these are the things that they used to do. So I'm just explaining to it, which I'm not practicing on it. My intention is to show the foods that allowed to be eaten, which is during this 9 days. Now in my previous video I showed about the spices. Now in this I'm showing you about fruits. The next video we will come into different item. So let's get into the next video. Until then, bye bye. But before I leave, I would like to ask everyone who is new watching this, please do subscribe the channel. And also those who have been faithful to me, thank you very much for your faithfulness. And let's get into the next video. Till then, bye bye and happy Navratri.